Here I have OUKITEL OKT1, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly you have to open your phone application and tap here on three dots, go to its settings and then go to the blocked numbers. Here you have to tap add a number and just manually enter number which is bothering you. Tap block, and after that this number will never reach you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.